Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top resume builder platforms. In this series, we're exploring professional resume creation tools that use templates and artificial intelligence to help you build a standout resume. Whether you're starting your career or making a change, these platforms make it easier than ever to create a polished, professional resume that catches the attention of hiring managers. Throughout this video, we'll be reviewing several leading resume builder platforms. We'll start with Rezi and Resume Genius, both of which offer powerful features for creating professional resumes. These platforms are designed to make the resume writing process simple and effective. We'll also be exploring Careerflow and TopResume. These platforms bring additional capabilities to the table, including integrated job search features and professional writing assistance. Each platform has unique strengths that we'll cover in detail. Additionally, we'll examine Enhancv and Kickresume. These tools are known for their design flexibility and ease of use. They're excellent options if you want a resume builder that combines beautiful templates with powerful features. Finally, we'll look at Zety and Novoresume. Both of these platforms offer extensive template libraries and are trusted by job seekers worldwide. They provide different approaches to resume building that cater to various user preferences. Now let's talk about what makes these resume builders great. First, artificial intelligence-powered content suggestions help you write compelling bullet points and descriptions. These tools analyze job descriptions and suggest relevant keywords and phrases. Second, all of these platforms offer templates that are optimized for applicant tracking systems, or ATS. This means your resume will pass through automated screening systems that employers use. Beyond artificial intelligence and ATS optimization, these platforms offer professional template libraries with hundreds of designs to choose from. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style. Additionally, many include real-time resume scoring, which gives you feedback on how strong your resume is and suggests improvements before you download it. Rezi is an artificial intelligence-first resume builder that specializes in keyword matching. The platform uses advanced algorithms to analyze job descriptions and ensure your resume contains the right keywords for the position. It also provides an ATS score that tells you how well your resume will perform in automated screening systems, helping you optimize before you apply. Resume Genius is known as a template powerhouse. The platform offers over 100 professional templates, each designed to be friendly to applicant tracking systems. This means you have plenty of design options while maintaining the formatting that matters most to recruiters and hiring managers. Careerflow takes an all-in-one approach to your job search. Beyond resume building, it includes job tracking features so you can keep track of applications in one place. It also offers an artificial intelligence career assistant that provides guidance throughout your job search journey, making it a comprehensive platform for career advancement. Whether you choose Rezi for artificial intelligence power, Resume Genius for template variety, Careerflow for all-in-one functionality, or any of the other platforms we discussed, the key is to start building. Professional templates combined with artificial intelligence features give you the foundation for a standout resume. Your dream job resume is just a few clicks away. Start today and take control of your career narrative.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.